Hello everyone out there, and welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. On today's video, we'll take an old mirror like this, transform it to this. Stay with me guys and watch as I transform this mirror. We're going to start out with 4 poster boards. We're going to tape 2 together like this, tape the other 2 and set them aside. Now you want to measure the width that you want your poster board to be. I'm going to give it an extra 3 inches on both sides. So I'm going to cut my poster board at 17.5. Now I've already cut 3 inches off one half of my poster boards. So now I'm going to lay the other one on top and cut the 3 inches off that. Here you can see I'm using paper clips to hold the 2 boards securely together while I cut. Now you want to take the mirror and you want to center it on the board, making sure that each end is evenly positioned. Once you have the mirror positioned like you want it, you want to take a pen or a pencil and you want to trace the outline of the mirror. Once you've done that, remove the mirror and place it aside. Now you want to remove your clips. You want to separate the 2 boards, and the one board that you made the drawing around the mirror on, you want to cut away the middle. Once you've cut out the middle, it's time to glue both poster boards together. You want to use a strong adhesive. I chose to use Elmer's school glue. You could use a spray adhesive or any kind of adhesive as long as the 2 pieces are securely glued together. You want to make sure the 2 pieces are secured securely because the mirror will sit inside the little pocket. So again, I use Elmer's glue and I am using a popsicle stick to make sure that I spread that adhesive out enough so that it's all around the poster board. Once you have the glue all the way around, again I used the paper clips to hold the board together and I left it to dry for about 6 hours. Once my mirror and my poster board was dry, I took it outside and I spray painted it with metallic silver paint. You only need to spray the outer edges because the middle again will be covered with your mirror. Now you want to take your mirror and you want to make sure that it fits inside the little pocket perfectly once again. Now you want to glue your mirror inside the pocket using a strong adhesive. I lost my clip, but I did use E6000 glue to glue it inside the little pocket. So you want to go around and make sure that it's securely glued. You want to let that dry. I let mine dry overnight. Now we're ready to do the border of the mirror. I'm going to take chunky glitter. It's more like glitter confetti. And some Mod Podge. These 2 work. You could use whatever type of glitter you want, but I chose to use this confetti glitter because it has a really nice shine. Now you want to take a bowl and you want to put a generous amount of the chunky glitter or whatever type of glitter you choose to use in a bowl. Be generous. Don't use too much because you can always make more. And then you want to add a generous amount of Mod Podge. And you want to mix those two. And make sure that when you buy the Mod Podge, it's the one that dries clear. It's white, but it does dry clear. So you want to mix that up really good. Once you've mixed the Mod Podge and the glitter really good, now you can start spreading it around the border of the mirror. Here, as you can see, I'm starting to figure out how I want my gemstones to fit. I purchased 3 packs of the larger variety pack of gemstones for $9.99 at Michael's, and the smaller gemstones that's laying on the table I already had, but they came in a package similar for $9.99. The only thing I can say, guys, is make sure that when you get your gemstones or when you make your purchases at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, places like that, that you use a coupon. I have hot glued all of my stones on my mirror and it turned out absolutely beautiful. I made sure that I took smaller stones and filled in any openings that might be on my mirror. One thing left I have to do is to finish up the raw edges. So what I did was purchased a row of bling, and I got that also from Michael's, and I want to say that was like $7.99 for the row of bling. It is like 4 inches wide. I'm going to use one single row to go between the mirror border and the poster board, and then I'm going to use 3 rows to go on around the perimeter of the bling wrap. So we're going to get that done, and when we're done with that, we'll be ready for the reveal of the mirror. So it can be hung, but I'm showing you first what it looks like on the floor because you can use it as a floor mirror. And here's a close-up. Isn't it beautiful? And the chunky glitter or confetti glitter is just enough on the border with the bling in between. And the bling wrap along the sides. And here is my mirror. It's made it to the closet door. I think it fits perfectly there and is most definitely beautiful. If you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed bringing it to you, please, if you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with a friend. Once again, I want to say thank you to all of you out there and have a wonderful, wonderful evening.